Hey guys, welcome back to Click. In this video, I'll be showing you, discussing with you, Rhykin Brush Breath Grooming Deshedding Tool. So, you might be wondering, what is this brush breath grooming deshedding tool that you may be hearing or seeing online? So, the Rhykin Groom Pro here is a pet grooming and deshedding tool designed to remove loose undercoat hair, dirt, and dander from shedding pets. Now, according to the official website here, it features a wide, shallow stainless steel comb with the company's nick-free technology, which is designed to reduce pulling and help prevent the comb from digging into your pet's skin. Now, it's suitable for dogs, cats, rabbits, and horses that shed, but the company doesn't recommend it for pets under 6 months old or those with skin allergies. Now, using the Groom Pro is quite simple. So you want to hold the brush vertically here against your pet's coat and use short, gentle strokes in the directions of the hair growth. Now there's no need to apply heavy pressure as the comb is designed to lift those loose hair from the undercoat. Now for best results here, the manufacturer recommends using it once or twice a week for about 10 to 20 minutes or more often during heavy shedding seasons. Now the comb is also replaceable if it eventually wears out. Now, the brush is made with stainless steel teeth and ergonomic non-slip handle and rust-resistant material. Rhykin also states that it comes with a 30-day money-back guarantee and a lifetime warranty. An official website frequently runs promotions, so pricing may vary depending on the current offer. Now, that's essentially how the Groom Pro actually works here. Now, instead of cutting the fur, it's designed for to remove loose undercoat hair while allowing healthy coat to remain in place, helping reduce shedding and making routine grooming easier. Now, if you're interested in this product here, doing your own research is always recommended. While looking at reviews and information from sources outside their official website can help you make some informed decisions and ensure you're getting the best value out or for your money, just to make sure that this product is actually right for you. But that's about it. If you found this video, hit the like and subscribe button and watch our next video.